Siam Niramit is a renowned cultural show and entertainment complex in Bangkok that showcases Thailand's rich heritage and traditions. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Siam Niramit. Siam Niramit Show. The main attraction of Siam Niramit is the spectacular stage show, which takes visitors on a journey through Thailand's history, art, and culture. The show combines vibrant performances, intricate costumes, stunning set designs, and state-of-the-art special effects to bring the stories and legends of Thailand to life. It showcases traditional dances, martial arts, folklore, and captivating musical performances. Cultural Village. Siam Niramit features a cultural village where visitors can explore traditional Thai architecture, customs, and practices. The village provides an immersive experience, allowing visitors to witness various aspects of Thai village life, such as local crafts, traditional houses, and demonstrations of traditional activities like silk weaving and rice farming. Thai arts and crafts. The complex includes a handicraft village where visitors can witness artisans creating traditional Thai arts and crafts. You can observe skilled craftsmen and women engaged in activities like pottery making, wood carving, weaving, and painting. You also have the opportunity to purchase unique handcrafted souvenirs. Traditional Thai Village. Siam Niramit has a recreated traditional Thai village, complete with traditional houses, lush gardens, and ponds. Visitors can stroll through the village, learn about Thai customs and traditions, and appreciate the serene ambiance of a traditional Thai setting. International Buffet. Siam Niramit offers a delicious international buffet with a wide variety of Thai and international dishes. The buffet allows visitors to savor traditional Thai cuisine as well as popular international dishes, providing a culinary experience that complements the cultural immersion. Pre-show entertainment. Before the main show, visitors can enjoy pre-show entertainment, which typically includes traditional Thai dance performances, live music, and cultural displays. It's a great way to get into the spirit of the evening and experience the vibrant energy of Thai performances. Souvenir Shop. Siam Niramit has a well-stocked souvenir shop where visitors can find a range of Thai-themed products, including handicrafts, clothing, accessories, home decor, and cultural memorabilia. It's a great place to purchase unique souvenirs to remember your visit. Siam Niramit offers a captivating and immersive experience that showcases the beauty, history, and cultural heritage of Thailand. It's a must-visit destination for those seeking an entertaining and educational glimpse into Thai traditions and artistry.